Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up a sales tax on your products on Shopify, or on Squarespace rather, sorry, my mistake. So let's get right into it. Now, the way that you set up your taxes on Squarespace is rather quite easy. You have a built-in tool which you can use to set up tax rules, and depending on the region and the sales point and a lot of different things, you can set up different tax rules. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into our settings, which are here in the bottom left, and we're going to click on this gear icon, then go into selling and scroll down until you see taxes, which is under checkout above shipping. So just pick that, and here you can set up your own tax rules. Now you can do manual setup or select how tax is added. You can add it at checkout or include it in the price. The standard for Europe and the EU as a whole, or rather the rest of the world, apart from the US, is to include it in the price, apart from adding it at checkout. So I do recommend doing this. Then to add taxes, you can just click here to add a rate, select a country. I like to select rest of the world if I can. So I'll just select Eritrea as an example. Tax name, I'll just name it test. Country rate, I'll make it, I don't know, 12%. Charge taxes on services and digital products as well. I'll just check that off. And charge taxes on shipping, I'll do that as well. Click save, and now we've made our tax rule. Now this is the rate that I've added. We can add another one. So under select country, you need to select each country individually. You cannot select the rest of the world, but pretty much you get the point. It's as easy as that. Then your tax is added, and it'll be added at your total on your product, and that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.